Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
I'm Suzette Paglipuan, 24 years old, and I'm single.
Miss Suzette, how many siblings do you have?
I have 2 sisters and 1 brother.
What is your educational attainment?
I finished the course of AB English for 1 year and 1 year for marketing
So you're undergraduate, and where did you study?
at World City College.
Why do you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I choose to work in Hong Kong because I want to support my family for their needs, and my salary here is not enough to sustain their needs.
Have you discussed it with your family members?
Yes,
Are they aware that you'll be away for say 2 years?
yes.
What is your working experience?
After I graduate, I work as a housemaid and I experience to cook, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, and take care of the 2 children, 1 year old and 2 years old.
So, how do you take good care of them?
Always prepare their meals. If the baby is taking a bath, check the water temperature and show to them that you love them.
So how about elderly? Do you have an experience?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
I don't have any idea to cook a Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn.
Are you willing to accept your day off set by your employer?
Yes.
Before taking your day off, what are the things you should check before leaving the house?
I will finish my morning work and I will make sure that all electricity are off and I will lock all the doors.
So, is it your first time to work abroad?
Yes.
How will you handle yourself when you feel homesick?
I will make myself busy and I will work for a positive thinking to avoid homesick.
Are you willing to finish your contract?
Yes.
Why?
Because I want to give my family a brighter future.
If ever you receive an emergency call from your family member in the Philippines, what will you do?
Ask first my employer and I will allow them to their decision.
For instance, your employer instructed you to do something but you don't understand, what will you do?
I will say sorry and ask a permission to repeat again.
If ever your employer wants to keep your cell phone during your working hour, or even your employer will only allow you to use your cell phone during emergencies, that okay with you?
Yes, because I don't want to distract my work.
So in your opinion, what is the quality of a good helper?
Hardworking, trustworthy, always obey my employer, and always be honest.
Before we close our conversation, do you have anything to say to your future employer?
Hi, Ma'am, Sir. If ever you choose me, I will do all my responsibility to serve and to care your family, and I will follow all your rules, and I will always be honest to you. Thank you.
Can you give us an example of a nursery rhyme?
The itchy bitchy spider went up the spout again. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun, dried up all the rain. So itsy bitchy spider went up the spout again. The itsy bitchy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun, dried up all the rain. The itchy bitchy spider went up the spout again.